So the number of images here now. Number of images. How many images can be formed here? So number of images I'm counting. 1, right? This I1 of O. This I2 of again O. This I3 of I1 and this I4 of I2. This image I4 of I2. This is the I4 image. But the I3 and I4 are coinciding. That means we will count these two as one. Right? So how many images are there now? This I1 one image, this I2 two, and this I3, that is one, I3 and I4 as one. So these are the number of images will be 3. Right? Also we know the formula for the same. N is equal to 360 by theta minus 1. So how will we understand this? So 360 upon 90 minus 1. So 9 4 ja 36. So 4 minus 1, that is 3. So number of images formed when the angle between the mirror is theta is 90 degree. The number of images are 3 images and number of images are 3 here. Right? So that way you can also consider. Now if I try to explain, this is the explanation for the student of class 9th. Now if we talk about the same in case of the higher level student, that means the student appearing for NEET or G or 12th standard student, then the explanation of the same can be easily understand with the help of angular position of the image and some other mathematical method. So I'm going to that now. Same topic but for the student of NEET and G. So here image formed by two pair of mirrors, plane mirrors, right? So suppose this is one mirror and other mirror is this one, right? Any object, I'm not talking about whether it is symmetric or not symmetric, any position of this object. Suppose this object is here, O, right? So suppose this is the point, and we know that one thing that we know, the distance of object from mirror and the distance of image from mirror will be same. So the image will form here I1. Clear? Similarly, if we talk about the image of this object, then the image of this object will be, suppose I am drawing this line here, this will be equal distance here. Okay, right? Now if we complete the triangles, so I am completing this triangle, this one, and I am also completing this triangle, right? This distance is equal to that one, okay, and this is the common side. This will also be the same because we also know the image and the object all lies on the circle, one common circle, right? So these all points will form one circle which I'll draw. And similarly here, this is the distance and here the image, and these all points lies on the circle whose radius will be equal to here to here, the distance of the object. Now if I am talking about this thing, suppose this angle is alpha, okay, then this triangle, so I'm giving the name O P1 I1, suppose C point. So the triangle OCP1 and triangle I1CP1. This is common, this equal to that, this is same, so these two triangle will be congruent triangle, so this angle will be this. Yeah. Or another point is there, by mathematics you can also understand the angle opposite to the same side will always be equal. So the angle opposite to this side here is equal to the angle opposite to that side. I'm trying again, so maybe if you are not getting, then I'm telling you. See, this is the distance of the image, object from the mirror. So this will be the image of the distance of the image from the mirror. This will be, these two will be same from the concept. This side is common between these two triangles, and also this will be the radius of the circle on which these points are lying, that is 0. So this object OI1 and these all points are lying on the same line. That means this side will be same, this side, these two same, this is common, this is common. So that means these two triangle, one is this, other one is this, these two triangles are congruent, right? That means what? This